Hi, hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about generator alternator inspection and testing in service period. Apart from generator engine maintenance, there is alternator service shall be done regularly. Start by checking the continuity and resistance of the stator winding using a multimeter. Set the meter to ohms and check phase to phase. Visual, show multimeter probes on terminals RY, YB, BR. Use a 500 volts or 1000 volts megger to measure insulation resistance between windings and earth. Minimum acceptable, 1 mega ohm for LV machines, higher for HV. Visual, show megger connections, each phase to earth. Display reading on megger. Tip overlay, ensure alternator is off and discharged before testing. The automatic voltage regulator controls output voltage. Test by checking excitation voltage input and AC output. You can simulate load to verify AVR response. The automatic voltage regulator controls output voltage. Test by checking excitation voltage input and AC output. You can simulate load to verify AVR response. Visual, show test setup. Voltage increasing as RPM increases. Oscilloscope or multimeter showing output voltage. For paralleling alternators, voltages, frequency, and phase sequence must match. Use synchroscope or lamps method. Visual, show dark lamp method. Synchroscope needle moving and aligning. Diodes in the rectifier convert AC to DC. Use diode mode on a multimeter. Test forward and reverse bias across each diode. Check rectifier bridge for continuity and diode function. Remove connections before testing. Each phase should conduct in one direction only. Visual, diagram of 3-phase rectifier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.